Hey everyone, I'm Calabel. Today I'll show you how to add HD admin to your Roblox Studio game. Let's open Roblox Studio. Click Toolbox and select the ES Central Model. We need HD admin. Click OK to add it. There, we've added it. Let's move the camera and hide the settings. Done. Here you can set who gets which role. For friends as admins, select None. This gives your friends admin access. For free admin, also select None, and so on. You can customize ranks. You can add yourself as an admin too. Here's my username ID. This is IDFC. Now click play. I'll be the owner. See? My rank is owner. There. You can review settings here. This was Beller. Like and subscribe. Have a great life. Good luck, everyone. Bye for now.